What up, everybody? Teddy Brothers here, and today we are at Manila Ocean Park, and it's right there. See that ocean?
May hotel din dito eh.
It's Ocean Park,
Hotel.
and we are here going up the stairs. It is so quiet, but it is huge. This place. Look at it. This. Oh, we're here. Okay, it looks like we're in Antarctica. Look, a penguin. A penguin. More penguins. Another, there's even more penguin. Turtly turn. Turtle.
Don't drop your phone.
Holy smokes.
We bring them out for
What?
So without further ado, let's dive into the world of reptiles. So once again, good afternoon and welcome to our show and tell presentation. Today I have with me the bearded dragon, belonging to the genus Ogona.
Freaking otters. Found flipping otters. A flipping slide for them. There's probably something under here. It's an owl.
Okay.
Seal. This is a flipping seal. Seal.
Just double check that the show is on.
Okay.
We all got Oreo flavor.
Oreo sandwich.
Hindi ko gusto niya, no?
Ayun.
Vanilla.
Ay, vanilla yan lang.
Flipping Oreo.
Vanilla yan.
Okay.